How can I improve my vocal projection without hurting my voice?
The amount of air you use to throw your voice, that is what the vocal projection is all about. Now, during our level 1 course, when we are training a person to use loud normal whisper, that exactly is what we are training the person to use the throw in a better way. Like, you can reduce the throw and increase the volume. So that difference is what you understand when you do the pitch variation, loud normal whisper. So it is the amount of breath you use. Now, if you're increasing your throw, then make sure that you are introducing a pause after that. Otherwise, the damage will be very fast. So increasing the throw is actually using more air in a different way. Like for emotions, you use more air in a different way, and for throw, it is actually increasing the amount of air. Like now I'm speaking on a normal throw. I can actually increase the volume by increasing my breath. This actually is on a higher volume. Probably the video, you will have to cut down the volume. If I can even increase the throw by increasing the breath. The same way, the amount of breath can be used for emotion. So it is one apparatus doing many jobs. That's the only confusion. That's why people get confused when you say, okay, increase your breath. So then should I use it to increase the throw or for the emotion is what your mind does.
Being a communication coach, I want to know how to strengthen my voice to prevent fatigue during a long speaking assignments.
Okay, so if you're training, say, from morning till evening, mostly what happens is you're not focusing on two things. One is your breathing, the other is your amount of hydration. So if you're managing these two, then by evening you'll be having the same kind of energy. Now, the second thing what you can do is do breathing exercises and warm up in the morning so that you're warmed up for the whole day. Then take care of your hydration and make sure that you're speaking in your own pitch. You don't increase your pitch, that will fatigue you faster, or even lower your pitch, that will fatigue you faster. So avoiding speaking in a different pitch other than what is your natural one, not drinking the right amount of water, then say using your voice without proper breathing. These three things can not only add fatigue, but it can damage your throat also. So if you can take care of these three, then you're perfectly fine. Then ample amount of sleep during the night. For I would say 4 to 6 hours is max. That will bring back that same kind of quality to your voice. Lack of sleep also can damage the kind of voice you have. So hydration, sleep, and breathing, speaking in your normal tone, will actually help you deliver faster or deliver better throughout the day. And remember to pause whenever possible. Take intermittent breaks, not do a continuous session. In between breaks will help you save your voice.
Okay, thank you very much. I have an add-on question to this. People suggest sipping warm water during the entire training session. How helpful would be that?
Think of your voice apparatus or your vocal cords as a muscle. Now, if you're heating the muscle, it actually gets more relaxed. So then what happens, a relaxed muscle cannot run faster. But if you're giving it a normal treatment, then it actually helps. So if you're drinking hot water, your vocal cords are getting more relaxed. So the damage possibility is more. Instead, you drink normal water.
Not even a lukewarm water?
Lukewarm water, if it's around, say, 28, 29 degrees Celsius, it's fine. Say 27 is the body temperature. The same water will actually do wonders because moisture is what you need, not the heat. If you're having a sore throat, it can actually give you a relief. But again, if you're going to use your voice after that, then you better not resort to drinking hot or warm water. Normal water is always good.
Wow, thank you. That was a wonderful explanation. Thank you.